day. Today I will demonstrate you physical examination of cardiovascular system. Physical examination of cardiovascular system includes palpation, percussion and auscultation of heart and palpation and auscultation of vessels. Start from palpation of heart. How to provide palpation of heart? You should put your palm over the sternum and over the mammary gland and feel pulsation. Feel pulsation and localize this pulsation with 2 fingers, like covering this area. And then you should describe this pulsation: width, height, force and resistance of apex speed. This name of pulsation apex speed. Then you should continue by percussion. For percussion you should find borders of heart, 3 borders of heart, right border, left border and upper border. For right border, what should you do? You should find mid-clavicular line. Mid-clavicular, it is from the beginning to the ending of clavicular. You should percuss interphalangeal space, middle finger on middle finger. Intercostal spaces you should percuss until dull sound. Here dull sound of lever, and then you should return to previous intercostal space, change position of hand to vertical and go to the sternum, inch by inch here. Here dull sound appears. Here right border of heart, normal location right border of heart, right edge of sternum, or may present deviation 1 centimeter externally. For left border of heart, you should find apex speed, pulsation by palm, localize with 2 fingers perpendicular to chest wall, and then from anterior axillary line you should go to apex speed, inch by inch. And here dull sound, coincidence, left border coincidence with apex speed. For upper border, you should determine line, not mid-clavicular, not sternal, between them parasternal line. Parasternal, you should use quiet percussion. And here dull sound appear, normal location, 3rd rib. There were relative borders of heart. Also, you can determine absolute borders of heart. Which difference between them? Absolute borders of heart, it is area not covered by lung. It is small area, and you should continue from borders of relative, go to the lateral. Yes, you should continue percussion until appearing absolute dull sound, and here also and upper border also. It will be the absolute border of heart. Then you should determine auscultation of heart. Auscultation of heart, there are 5 points of auscultation. How to determine? First point of auscultation, you should of course listen these sounds one by one in right order. From which point you should start? You should start from mitral point, where is location? Again apex speed. Here localize with 2 fingers and you should put your stethoscope. Here will be mitral point of auscultation, first point of auscultation, location 5th intercostal space, 1.5 centimeter medially from left, from left mid-clavicular line. Then second point of auscultation, it is 2nd intercostal space from right side, right edge of sternum. Pulmonary valve, it is 3rd point of auscultation, left edge of sternum or left sternal line. Then tricuspid, here basis of xiphoid processes or 4th intercostal space, left edge of sternum. And here last point of auscultation, Erb's point. Erb's point, it is additional point for aortic valve. Location 3rd intercostal space, left edge of sternum. Now I can demonstrate these points of auscultation. So, first point of auscultation, mitral point. You can see light, and here sound. There are 2 sounds, S1 and S2. On mitral point, which sound louder? S1 louder, because it is closer of this point. Let's listen to sound this. S1 louder than S2. Aortic, next point of auscultation. Here S2 louder, because S2 closure of aortic valve. Then pulmonary point. Here also S2 louder, because closure of the same valve. And last one is tricuspid. This basis of xiphoid process, or you can listen sound on fourth intercostal space. Here S1 louder. And last point of auscultation, it is Earth point. Earth point, it is additional point for aortic valve. Here, because of aortic, you should guess S2 louder, but here two sounds are equal. S1 equal S2. Thank you for attention. If you like this video, you should leave comments below, and or if you have questions, you should ask and I will answer. Okay, see you again.